Ayan. Good afternoon or good morning, everyone. I would like to explain this. I'm holding an object. As you can see, it's a acoustic guitar. So, to before I start, I would like to explain what is the definition, illustration, description, cause and effect, and advantages and disadvantages. Here's historical allusion, storytelling, and lastly, the concluding statement or the ending note of this discussion. Okay, so first of all, what is the definition or to define this acoustic guitar? So the guitar is a string musical instrument that is played by strumming or plucking to create a sound, okay, or a music. So next up is the illustration. For example, a student can play this guitar during in school performances, worship services, and of course bonding with friends to singing a song. Okay, and then for the description of this guitar, acoustic guitar, it usually has 6 strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A wooden body, as you can see, a wooden body, and a long neck with a fret, of course, where the fingers press to create different chords and notes. For example, this chord, uh, okay, it may be this one. So to move on, what is the cause and effect of this acoustic guitar? So because people play the guitar to express emotion and creativity, the effect is that music can relax, diba? It can relax the mind, reduce stress, and bring happiness to listeners. And then the advantages of this um, acoustic guitar, one of the advantage of the guitar is that improves musical skills and confidence. However, disadvantages is that requires patience and regular practice to master this instrument. And then for the historical allusion, in the past, early forms of the guitar were used in classical and cultural music. And over the time, it became popular in modern bands and contemporary songs. For the storytelling, I would like to share simple, short story of this guitar. Uh, there was there was a student, who felt shy and alone. When he learned to play the guitar, he started joining school's programs and gained new friends, eventually discovering his passion for music. Ayan. So for the last is the concluding statement or the ending note or the closure statement. A guitar is not just an instrument, it's a voice of the heart that turns simple moment in the meaningful memories. So that's all the discussion for today. What is acoustic guitar?